Hey guys, it's Chris here, back again from CNH Small Engine with my cabin here again. This will be a demonstration video for the vepr-12 that I got back here from Dissident Firearms. This is the 2014 side folder here. 2014 side folder with the LAC stock adapter with the AR-15 stock specifically in this weapon right here. Here's another shot. Roll around here for you guys. And we'll do a rapid 5-round shot here because I was checking out the overall accuracy for that weapon and the other weapon I brought here as well too. This is my other vepr-12 here. I got the bipod. It was yielding a little bit better accuracy because I had the bipod on it specifically, so that's the other model I had. Each one of these shotguns has a red dot on them. This one has the El Cheapo Man Special TRS-25 red dot from Bushnell. And other one here. This one right here has the Primary Arms MD, what's that here? MDADS specifically. I got this thing on eBay for used for about, I think about 45-50 bucks plus shipping and handling and tax. So overall, this one seemed to be a better product. However, this one's actually cheaper. For the TRS-25 is cheaper. However, it still functions perfectly fine. So if you want to get a real cheap red dot for your vepr-12 shotgun for shooting close distances like what I got up here, but it's about 25 yards total range, you can definitely go to the cheaper model specifically if you want to do that. So let's get started, guys. 5 rounds. This is the Winchester AA 1145. I'm shooting it through the 1.0 Custom Guns full choke on here. Always make sure your chokes are nice and tight on these things, because if you don't, it might start losing their accuracy and you don't want them blowing off and stuff like that. So always give them a good tightening crank on. Make sure it's nice and snug on there. Make sure everything's tightened down properly. So let's get going here, guys. 5 rounds. Let me get a good standing here for you. This whole hill is on a weird, goofy angle, so I gotta try to lean into the target because it's like a big washboard right here. So let me get a good standing right. Should be good to go right here. Do that. Okay, good to go. And that's how you want to stand if you're going to be shooting at a real good fixed position, try to soak up all the recoil from your vepr-12 shotgun. So if anybody has any comments, questions, whatnot, as usual, feel free to leave me a message here, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks, guys.